You are unique, sir. He's saying that I haven't seen any work such 36 of countries. He has been traveled there. Saying I couldn't see any person, a doctor, like a dentist such as you, sir. Your work was, perfect, sir. He's saying he could not see a dentist in Syria, Iran, some other countries. He's saying you have done very good job for him, and the implant was painless.
Now it's time to check those teeth. Ring. Let's see how are you able to chew.
يقول هسه
Thank you.
اخذي واحدة واتهم واحدة. شوف اتهم. Now he's feeling comfortable in these screws and these dentures. First of all, my mom was came, you remember, sir?
Yes.
And when she saw all the work and the job and the implant of the screws, she called my father and said, don't go any other country, another place to do your implants. So he came, he booked his ticket and he came to you because he saw my mom tooth. They are thanking you so much, sir. They have
Very good.
seen a very good treating here. Like, the staff was treating him very well. Among of the staff, the doctors and the employers, like anyone who was working here was treating them good. All the
شغلهم
staff
عدل.
was respected and polite. Yes, thank you so much, doctor.